Exercise 1.13 Basic Word Order and Particles. The order between the subject and the object is flexible in Japanese. However, a verb needs to be placed at the end of the sentence. A sentence can be understood correctly regardless of the word order, because the subject and the object are directly followed by the subject marking particle ga and the object marking particle o respectively. For example, the following two sentences both mean Ken invited Anne. Ken ga Anne o sasota. Anne o Ken ga sasota. English prepositions such as to, from, in, on, at, and would correspond to postpositions or particles placed after nouns in Japanese. For example, the English preposition to corresponds to the Japanese particle ni when expressing destinations. Instead of saying to Toronto, you need to say something like Toronto to actually. Toronto ni, as in the following sentence. Ken ga Toronto ni ita. Ken went to Toronto. Exercise 1.13. Complete the sentences with ga, o, or ni. For a greater challenge, cover the English translations as you work on this exercise. 1. John ga hotodogu o tabita. John ate hot dogs. 2. Joso o Miyare ga nonda. Mary drank juice. 3. Tomo ga Boston ni kita. Tom came to Boston. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Matane!